Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in Mad Katz Outdoors in Rockingham. It is off 74 Business in the west side of our county, just before you enter Anson County by the river. And this weekend they will host their second annual open house and fishing expo on Saturday. This event will be all day starting at 8 a.m. and there will be a lot of fishing vendors here and also food trucks. It's the perfect outing for Father's Day, so bring dad or uncle or grandpa to Mad Katz Outdoors and see all the supplies they have here, not only for fishing but all outdoor sports. Live music will be in town Friday night at Hudson Brothers with Hardwired. They will have specials at Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet, at the Lounge at Godfather's Pizza in Rockingham, and over at Double Vision they will have karaoke. Friday night in downtown Rockingham at Discovery Place Kids, the Science Explorer series returns. This will start at 5 p.m. and you can purchase tickets and find out more information on the Discovery Place Kids Rockingham Facebook page and also their website. Also on Saturday, June the 17th, Rockingham Farmers Market will be set up from 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. downtown Rockingham in the old Food King parking lot. Outreach for Jesus will have their 4th annual bike and car show that will start at 9 a.m. And at 12 p.m., VFW in Rockingham will have their annual Kids Jam with lots of special guests and food. Also on Saturday, the 4th annual bike ride for Special Forces Wounded Warriors will take off from Hideaway Tavern at 1 p.m. And at the tracks, there's a lot of action this weekend. The Myrtle Beach Drift Group will be back in town with their All the Smoke event that will be throughout the weekend. They will have special guests from the Stock Car Classics that will be joining them. And across the street at Rockingham Dragway, it is Who Is Your Daddy Vol2, which is a drag radial racing event. This is for super fast cars. And that afternoon, Hippy Dippy Boutique will have a workshop for witch ball divination. You can see more information on all of these events on the Facebook pages for those businesses, and most of them also have a Facebook event page that will give you more details and give you an option to purchase tickets for the events. Saturday night, the Sandhills Shag Club will have their monthly meetup in Hamlet at American Legion, and there will be music at Double Vision with DJ Roy G, and also at Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet and the Lounge at Godfather's in Rockingham. Sunday, June 18th is Father's Day, so we want to wish Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there, and it will also wrap up the All the Smoke event for Myrtle Beach Drift Group at Rockingham Speedway. Also, make sure you are ready for the 3rd concert in the Hamlet Boxcar Concert Series that will be on June 22nd in downtown Hamlet in Main Street Park. You can find out more information about this event on Facebook. They have a Facebook event page, or visit Hamlet NC or Hamlet Depot and Museums. For more information on these events and other upcoming events we have here in Richmond County, see our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, on Twitter, Visit Richmond County, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notifications when we post these videos every week, and that is Visit Richmond County NC. If we don't see you around this weekend, we will definitely see you next week, and happy Father's Day.